Hello everyone, myself Anushka Shinde and I am student of Shivajirao as Jondhle College of Pharmacy, Ascorobic, studying in 3rd year B.Pharmacy. My today's topic is preparation of Ascorbic Acid Injection, which comes under the practical part of Industrial Pharmacy 1. I have prepared this video under the guidance of our Assistant Professor Ms. Geeta Mohire and our Principal and Professor Dr. Nitin C. Mohire. Now let us start. Aim: preparation of ascorbic acid injection. Before starting the preparation of ascorbic acid injection, let us see the consideration factors of an ascorbic acid. Introduction of ascorbic acid, requirements and chemicals which are used for the preparation, introduction of ascorbic acid injection, procedure of preparation, quality control testing, storage and packaging conditions and uses. Introductory part of an ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, it is also known as a vitamin C. It is also called as an anti-scorbutic product. It gains its name scorbutic due to its Latin term scorbutus, meaning scurvy. Ascorbic acid in biological system which lowers its pH, which is oxidized from dihydroascorbic acid. It is generally water soluble vitamin. Ascorbic acid and ascorbate is naturally present in our body since the forms interconvert according to pH. This is the general structure of ascorbic acid. Now let us see the introduction of ascorbic acid injection. Ascorbic acid is a sterile solution which is particulate free, germs free. Each ml of ascorbic acid contains 250 mg sodium aditate, that is 0.025% in water for injection. It is prepared with the aid of sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, which is used to adjust the pH. Now let us see what are the physical properties and chemical properties of ascorbic acid injection. Their physical properties include white or slightly yellow crystals or powder with slight acidic taste. Also, when on exposure to light, it gradually darkens. Chemical properties include it is freely soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, insoluble in chloroform, ether and in benzene. When present in a dry state, it is present in air, but when in solution, it will rapidly oxidize. Its chemical name, empirical formula, and molecular weight of ascorbic acid. Its chemical name is L-ascorbic acid. Empirical formula is C6H8O6 and molecular weight is 176.13. Now let us see what are the requirements and chemicals which we'll be using for the preparation. Apparatus enlisted are measuring cylinder, burette, beaker, dropper, syringe, needle, ampoules, filter paper, Whatman filter paper, membrane filter paper, pH meter. Chemicals which are used for the preparation includes mainly ascorbic acid, disodium aditate, sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, cresol, water for injection. Let us start with the procedure. Firstly, type 1 glass ampoules need to be selected wisely and should be clean. Formulation must be carried in a clean area. Ascorbic acid must be weighed accurately, dissolving it in a water for injection in a beaker with application of a heat, adding calcium disaccharide to it. Now adjusting the pH, which is ranging between 6 to 8 or 5 to 7 with 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. Then allow the solution to cool down. Simultaneously filter the solution through Whatman filter paper or 0.45 membrane filter to remove the unwanted particulate matter. Filling the prepared injection in ampoules type 1 with the help of syringe. Sealing the ampoules by pool seal technique, which is less prone to leak. Sterilize the ampoules by autoclaving it at 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Autoclaving is generally done at 121 degrees Celsius. Now let us see What is quality control test? Quality control test is done for determining essential operation to eliminate the unwanted and unsuitable materials to give the productive effects. Now let us see the particulate testing. Particulate testing, it is used to determine the accuracy of a manufacturing process. Sample containers which are kept clean and properly for use to ensure the amount of particulate matter which is shedded from the containers. It is also used to ensure safety, to establish active formulations to get spontaneous better results. Second is leaker testing. Leaker testing, it is used to detect incompletely sealed ampoules. So in case if found, they must be discarded. The pull seals are less prone to leak. Sterility testing. This testing will allow to ensure the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical therapeutics which are sterile safe for use. Content uniformity testing. Content uniformity testing is used for delivering the consistent dose of API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient, which should be maintained batch-wise accordingly. Pyrogen testing. Pyrogens are the main bacterial membrane. They are present everywhere in the experimental conditions. In case if found, they tend fever to patients. Hence, pyrogen testing is more of significance for achieving accuracy and content purity. Now let us see the storage conditions for ascorbic acid injection. Generally, it is stored below 40 degrees Celsius, preferably between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, which is until and unless specified by the manufacturer. No preservatives must be added in the preparation. It should be stored in well-closed containers and used only if solution is clear and seal intact. What are the packaging and uses for ascorbic acid injection? Packaging conditions must required. They should be stored in suitable ampoules box. Ampoules must be properly packed and labeled. Uses: ascorbic acid injection is recommended for prevention and treatment of scurvy, that is for the deficiency of vitamin C. Thank you for listening. Here I conclude the presentation. Thank you.